Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In this video, we're going to review how to compare animals. For example, how to say the horse is bigger than the dog. We are comparing the size of the horse and the dog. And you learned a new word that indicates that we're comparing two things together. And guess what? That word isn't just to compare animals, but you can use it to compare people and objects too. You already know these four words: bada, badi, chota, choti. And you already know the rule for when to use each one of them. You know when to use bada, when to use badi, when to use chota, and when to use choti. So now let's review the new word that is used to compare. That word is say. Say. So we're going to put that word say in front of our bada, badi, chota, or choti. So let's look at an example. We want to say the horse is bigger than the dog. How do we say horse in Hindi? Horse is ghoda. How do we say dog in Hindi? Dog is kutta. So, would we use bada or badi in this sentence if we want to say the horse is bigger than the dog? We would use bada because the sentence is about the horse. We're describing what the horse is compared to the dog. And horse is ghoda. It ends with an a. So we would use bada. So now let's put the sentence together. How would we say the horse is bigger than the dog? Remember from class, we said that you start with the subject of the sentence. The subject of the sentence is whatever the sentence is about, which is the horse, ghoda. Now next comes whatever you're comparing the horse to. What are we comparing the horse to? The dog, kutta. So our sentence is now ghoda, kutta, and now we have bada or badi. We said bada. So we add our new word in front. Ghoda, kutta, se, bada, hai. Ghoda, kutta, se, bada, hai. One more time. Ghoda, kutta, se, bada, hai. And remember, there's no word for the in Hindi. So when you want to say something from English to Hindi, the disappears. So that's why you don't see any the or any replacement words, because there is no the in Hindi. Ghoda kutta se bada hai. Let's do another one. The gorilla is bigger than the mouse. How do we say gorilla in Hindi? This is an easy one. We say gorilla. How do we say mouse in Hindi? Mouse is chuha. So now, would we use bada or badi? Well, the sentence is about the gorilla. So what word would we use for gorilla? Bada or badi? Bada. So would we say the gorilla is bada or badi? We would say bada, right? So put the sentence together now. The gorilla is bigger than the mouse. Gorilla चूहा से बड़ा है. Gorilla चूहा से बड़ा है. So remember, the sentence is about the gorilla, and then next comes whatever we're comparing the gorilla to. We're comparing the gorilla to the mouse. So gorilla चूहा से बड़ा है. Now let's do another one. The panther is bigger than the parrot. The panther is bigger than the parrot. Panther in Hindi is tendua. Parrot is tota. So would we use bada or badi? Well, the sentence is about the panther. And what is panther in Hindi? Tendua. So would that be a bada or a badi? It would be bada. So now put the sentence together. How would we say the panther is bigger than the parrot? तेंदुआ तोता से बड़ा है. तेंदुआ तोता से बड़ा है. Let's do another one. The turtle is bigger than the crow. Turtle in Hindi is kachua. Crow is kawa. So would we use bada or badi? Well, what's the sentence about? Is it about the turtle or the crow? It's about the turtle. And turtle is kachua. So would that be a bada or a badi? It would be bada, right? So put the sentence together. The turtle is bigger than the crow. कछुआ कौवा से बड़ा है. कछुआ कौवा से बड़ा है. Let's do another one. The rhino is bigger than the donkey. So rhino in Hindi is genda. Donkey in Hindi is gadha. So would we use bada or badi? Well, what's the sentence about? Is it about the rhino or the donkey? It's about the rhino. And how do we say rhino in Hindi? Genda. So is genda bada or badi? It is bada. So put the sentence together. The rhino is bigger than the donkey. Genda gadha se bada hai. Genda gadha se bada hai. The cat is bigger than the ant. The cat is bigger than the ant. So cat in Hindi is billi. Ant in Hindi is cheeti. So would we use bada or badi? Well, what's the sentence about? It's about the cat or the ant? It's about the cat. And cat is billi. So would we use bada or badi? We would use badi, right? So put the sentence together. The cat is bigger than the ant. All right, let's see if you got it right. Billi चींटी से बड़ी है. बिल्ली चींटी से बड़ी है. Let's do another one. The fox is bigger than the squirrel. The fox is bigger than the squirrel. Fox in Hindi is lomadi. Squirrel is gileri. So would we use bada or badi? Well, what's the sentence about? Is it about the fox or the squirrel? It's about the fox. So would we use bada or badi? Fox is lomadi. So we would use badi. And put the sentence together. The fox is bigger than the squirrel. लोमड़ी गिलेरी से बड़ी है. लोमड़ी गिलेरी से बड़ी है. Okay, let's do another one. The fish is bigger than the seahorse. The fish is bigger than the seahorse. So fish in Hindi is machli. Seahorse is samudri ghodi. So would we use bada or badi? Well, the sentence is about the fish, and fish is machli. So it would be badi, right? So put the sentence together. The fish is bigger than the seahorse. मछली समुद्री घोड़ी से बड़ी है. मछली समुद्री घोड़ी से बड़ी है. Next one. The lizard is bigger than the spider. Lizard in Hindi is chipkali. Spider is makdi. So would we use bada or badi? Well, what's the sentence about? Is it about the lizard or the spider? The sentence is about the lizard. And lizard is chipkali. So would it be bada or badi? Badi. So put the sentence together now. चिपकली मकड़ी से बड़ी है. चिपकली मकड़ी से बड़ी है. All right, now instead of bada and badi, let's do chota choti. How would we say the donkey is smaller than the rhino? We already practiced donkey and rhino. Do you remember them? Donkey is gadha. Rhino is genda. So would this be chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the donkey, and donkey is gadha. So would it be chota or choti? It would be chota. And let's put the sentence together. How would we say the donkey is smaller than the rhino? Gadha genda se chota hai. Gadha genda se chota hai. Another one. The crow is smaller than the turtle. We practice these words. Do you remember how to say crow or turtle? Crow is kawa. Turtle is kachua. So, would we use chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the crow or the turtle. It's about the crow. So we would use chota because crow is kawa. So put the sentence together. How would we say the crow is smaller than the turtle? कौवा कछुआ से छोटा है. कौवा कछुआ से छोटा है. Let's do another one. The parrot is smaller than the panther. We practice these words too. Do you remember them? Parrot is tota. Panther is tendua. So would we use chota or choti? Well, what's the sentence about? The parrot or the panther? The sentence is about the parrot, tota. So we would say chota. So put the sentence together. The parrot is smaller than the panther. Let's see if you got it right. Tota tendua se chota hai. Tota tendua se chota hai. Let's do another one. The mouse is smaller than the gorilla. Mouse in Hindi again is chuha. And gorilla was an easy one. It's just gorilla. So the sentence is about the mouse or the gorilla? It's about the mouse. And mouse is chuha. So would it be chota or choti? It would be chota. So how would we say the mouse is smaller than the gorilla? चूहा गोरिल्ला से छोटा है. चूहा gorilla se chota hai. How would we say the dog is smaller than the horse? Dog again is kutta. Horse is ghoda. So would we use chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the dog, right? And dog is kutta. So it would be chota. And now put the sentence together. The dog is smaller than the horse. कुत्ता घोड़ा से छोटा है. कुत्ता घोड़ा से छोटा है. All right. Let's try another one. The squirrel is smaller than the fox. Squirrel in Hindi is gileri. Fox is lomari. So would we use chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the squirrel, and squirrel is gileri. So we would use choti for this one. So how would we say the squirrel is smaller than the fox? Let's see if you got it right. Gileri lomड़ी से छोटी है. Gileri lomड़ी से छोटी है. Another one. The seahorse is smaller than the fish. Seahorse in Hindi is samudri ghodi. Fish is machli. So would we use chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the seahorse, and seahorse is samudri ghodi. So that means we would use choti. So put the sentence together. How would we say the seahorse is smaller than the fish? समुद्री घोड़ी मछली से छोटी है. समुद्री घोड़ी मछली से छोटी है. Let's do another one. The spider is smaller than the lizard. Spider is makadi. Lizard is chipkali. So would we use chota or choti? Well, the sentence is about the spider, right? And spider is makadi. So we would use choti, right? So put the sentence together. The spider is smaller than the lizard. All right, let's see if you got it right. मकड़ी छिपकली से छोटी है. मकड़ी छिपकली से छोटी है. All right, let's do another one. The ant is smaller than the cat. Ant in Hindi is cheeti. Cat is billi. So would it be chota or choti that we use? Well, the sentence is about the ant. An ant is cheeti. So then we would use choti. So how would we say the ant is smaller than the cat? All right, let's see if you got it right. चींटी बिल्ली से छोटी है. चींटी बिल्ली से छोटी है. All right, excellent work on this. This was a little bit complicated because we combined a lot of different concepts and vocabulary, but you're doing a great job. Keep practicing, and next class, you're going to learn how to compare animals that don't have the same ending. See, today we compared animals that had the same ending, like cheeti, billi, lomadi, makadi, right? We also compared like kutta and ghoda. See how they all have the same endings? Well, next week you're going to learn how to compare animals that don't have the same endings. For now, dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.